Hello everyone, I want to show you today this beautiful chronograph in a gunmetal case. Very nice one. I think the movement inside, although it says on the dust cover Georges Perret Tour, this is not the maker of the watch, maybe the first owner. Inside it has I think a Lemania caliber, the snail regulator. Very beautiful movement. I don't know which caliber it is, maybe one of their prototype ones. Very nice indeed. Yeah, the chronograph works very fine, as you can see. Very fine. Now we stop it and reset it. Very nice combination with this gold-plated ring, gold-plated crown, and this pin set. It's also gold bezel. The ridge, the bezel, it's also gold-plated. As you can see, one of the sub-dials, the chrono one, it's badly made, was badly made. As you can see, the numerals are not correctly aligned, but it gives to this watch a very special charm. I like it despite that issue. So let's show you the movement, because this is the most important part of the watch. Oh, this is the one. Has a brevet 5617, Swiss brevet, a patent. Oh, it was serviced. Shines very fine. You can see it. Hope you like it. Very nice hairspring. Very nice nail regulator. Very good looking movement overall. Hope you enjoy it, guys. It's certainly an Lemania pocket watch. Lemania caliber. Which caliber, I don't know. Maybe, as I said before, some of theirs prototype. It has a strong ticking. And it works very well. So this is the watch, folks. Hope you enjoy it. God bless you all. Till next time, stay safe and take care of you. Thank you for watching.